13 ऑक्टोबर दिवस हा सोनियाचाच दिवस आहे. नायक ट्युटोरियलमध्ये काम करत असताना येथे मी कडक शिस्त, कठोर परिश्रम या जोरावरती आपण आपले व विद्यार्थ्यांचे शैक्षणिक ध्येय व त्यांचा सर्वांगीण विकास खूप प्रामाणिकपणे साध्य करू शकतो व हे सर्व करत असताना आपल्याला त्यातून मिळणारे समाधान अधिक आनंद देत असते. आज 24व्या वर्षात यशस्वीरित्या पदार्पण करत असताना नायक ट्युटोरियल वर्धापन दिनाच्या आपल्या सर्वांना हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Nayak's tutorial is the way to excellence and is the best way I've ever known. Functioning for 23 years, it constantly improves its performance with the help of its truly hardworking faculty.
I not only consider Nayaks as a tutorials but also as a family because it not only helps the students to improve their grades but also to overcome the challenges that they might face in the future.
Nayak tutorials helps one realize that limitations are only an imagination.
We, the batch of 10th IC, would like to express our gratitude to the staff and teachers present here who made our experience memorable. It was a balance between studies and enjoyment. We love Nayaks.
I would like to thank Nayaks for imbibing in us the confidence and making us believe that we can score good marks and be creative at the same time through the various activities that they introduce to us.
Wishing happy 23rd anniversary to Nayak's tutorial. Happy Nayak's Day!
Happy 23rd anniversary Nayak's tutorials.
Nayak Tutorials is not just an educational institution, but it's a journey of hard work, commitment and transformation since many years. And we all are very proud of it, celebrating its 23rd anniversary.
मी नायक ट्युटोरियलमध्ये गेल्या 8 वर्षापासून काम करते आहे. इथे मला खूप शिकायला मिळालं आणि इथे खूप सपोर्टिव्ह सगळेजण आहेत आणि एकत्रित सगळे मिळून काम करतो.
Happy Nayak's Day!
I would like to congratulate Nayak Tutorial on its 23rd anniversary. It has been a great journey up till now. The staff, teachers and all my friends have all been very supportive and motivative. They have corrected me in all the places I went wrong. Thank you Nayak and once again, happy anniversary.
I'm working in this organization from last 1 year and it is one of the best coaching institute for students to shape their career and it is really a pleasure to be a part of this organization. Thank you.
Happy Nayak's Day.
Thank you, Nayak.
An uplift in one's own result is something which an individual always likes to seek. With the growing experience,
congratulating Nayak for 23rd anniversary. It was a great journey.
Nayak's boundaries are increasing day by day.
We are grateful to be a part of this ever-increasing community and an amazing journey. Being a proud Nayakite, I would like to thank Nayaks to provide us such an amazing set of teachers and staff who guide us every day.
Happy 23rd anniversary Nayak tutorial.
I thank the staff and my friends to motivate me throughout the journey.
So, we being proud Nayakites wish Nayak tutorials wholeheartedly a very happy 23rd anniversary.
We would like to express our gratitude towards the teaching staff who have helped us excel in our 10th exams and also helped us in our future career choices.
They not only taught us for this standard but also developed our basics which will help us in 11th, 12th and even higher studies.
Not only did they focus on teaching but they also helped us entertain and made our 10th a fun-filled year.
Happy Nayak's Day!
I, group of friends to be batch of Nayak tutorials, would like to thank Nayak tutorials to be a guide for me, to help me whenever I needed them. I am extremely happy to be a part of the Nayak family and I always will be. For example, my maths was very weak but they guided me and helped me to improve my maths, which has helped me to gain a very good marks in maths. So I'll be thankful for them and thank you.
जसं जसं नायक ट्युटोरियल्स यांना माझ्या कामावर ट्रस्ट होत गेला, विश्वास होत गेला, तसं तसं त्यांनी मला दुसऱ्या पदावर येण्यासाठी इम्प्रूव्ह केलं की पुढे जाऊन तो अजून काहीतरी करू शकतो, त्याच्यासाठी तो अजून एका पदावर येईल. त्याच्यासाठी त्याने मला ॲज अ काउन्सिलर म्हणून शिफ्ट करण्यात आलं आणि त्या विश्वासावरच मला त्यांनी ट्रेनिंग दिलं, सर्व काही शिकवलं आणि भरपूर काही शिकण्यात मिळालं. नायक ट्युटोरियल्स यांना 23 वर्षाच्या वर्धापन दिनाच्या खूप खूप हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Happy 23rd anniversary to Nayak tutorials. Happy Nayak's Day. Happy 23rd anniversary to Nayak tutorials.
1, 2, 3, start.
Happy Nayak's Day. Happy Nayak's Day.
Happy Nayak's Day to all the Nayakites.
Happy 23rd anniversary to Nayak tutorials.
Wishing the entire team a very happy Nayak's Day and many more years to come and celebrate.
Wish you all a very happy Nayak's Day.
Happy Nayak's Day.
as we are celebrating the 23rd anniversary of Nayak Tutorials, we can proudly say that we are the part of this esteemed organization, and we can say, long live Nayak Tutorials, long live Nayak Tutorials. Wish you all happy Nayak Day.